a wonderful parcel situated in the scenic Sun Valley Ranch, boasting direct lakefront access and breathtaking panoramic vistas. Nestled on the outskirts of Grand Lake, this close-knit community offers an ideal setting for permanent residence or a tranquil retreat from urban life. Participation in the optional Sun Valley Lake Association opens up additional opportunities for lake access and fishing, providing an enriching experience for those who choose to join. Call today to start your Grand City journey.